Guys, this is Daniel with Hardwood Floor Store. We are doing an Abrade and Recoat today on this property. We've already got the cleaning done, and this machine right here is what we're using to extract all the dirty water. So as you can see right over here, you see how the wood has kind of a dull sheen to it. So that's exactly what we want to see. Okay, when the floor has a dull sheen, that means we're getting all the dirt, and we're going to begin abrading the floor to make sure all the finish is off, all the little micro scratches, scuff marks, surface scratches, everything, that the floor is free and clear of all debris. So this is one of the steps of our deep clean and polish, as well as our Abrade and Recoat. What I'm about to do is I'm going to agitate the floor. We put the cleaner down on the floor. I'm going to go ahead and agitate it, and that breaks up any loose soil, hair, debris. And then after that, we're going to do an extraction of it with our auto scrubbing machine. And we'll go ahead and show you that video next. This is Daniel with Hardwood Floor Store. I just wanted to show you guys some of the dirty water that I picked up off of this job. This particular house, the client sweeps, mops, very, very clean people, but regular mopping cannot remove what we can remove. Let me just show you right here. This is our dirty water. So that's the dirty water, and that's after somebody's mopping at least twice a week. So you can definitely see what's inside of the wood. All right, until next time. This is Daniel with Hardwood Floor Store. If you want a pan right here, this is what the abrasion looks like. So all this right here is just finish that we've abraded off of the floor. Okay, it just leaves a fine powder. So all that does, it's not going to take the stain off. It's only the finish that's coming off. It looks like we're sanding the floor, but this is actually only finish that's on the floor. So let me show you the process. And what this does is it removes all the little fine surface scratches, any type of scuff marks. And gives the floor a nice even plane. Or even texture. Okay, so it looks like it's a big dusty mess in here. However, when I abraded the floor, all the dust actually stays on the floor. So, and I can breathe just fine here. It's not dusty. Which is why we say we're not sanding the floor. We're just abrading it.